Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of SniperProfixPro, which launched on the 9th of August at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent new release from Mosh Barry and Jason Fulton. And what it essentially is, it's a website creator with a difference. So SniperProfixPro will instantly create little mini websites for you based on keywords, and it will populate them with content from either Wikipedia or YouTube. Now, there are two different ways. Well, you can monetize them in various ways, but the main ways of monetizing, firstly, you can add your affiliate links from offers on Amazon, ClickBank, and eBay. But also, people are going to be incentivized to send traffic for you and to build up your email list, because the way these sites actually work is that obviously they're filled with lots of interesting content, quite lengthy articles, and people can download these articles as PDFs so that they can keep the content and refer to them. Perhaps if they're interesting content, they might want them for a project or maybe some college work, an assignment, whatever reason they want to keep them, they're going to be interested in downloading the content. So they will click on the button that says download the PDF. Now that will ask for their name and email address to get access to that PDF, and then that PDF will be emailed to them, or rather a link will be emailed to them. So that's great. So that adds email subscribers onto your email list. But, and this is where the magic happens, they also get sent a referral link telling them that if they refer the link for that article to 3 other people, then they will get a super free gift. Again, this is all set up within the site. So that then encourages them to share the content on social media or wherever, and that in turn will get you free traffic. It will get you more subscribers to your email lists, and it'll have a snowballing effect, because the more that refer, those people also get sent a referral link telling them that they can get a free gift, and then the more people they refer, these free gifts keep getting better and better and bigger. So we'll see a little bit more as we work our way through all this, but if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up SniperProfixPro from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And as usual, folks, I really don't want that to happen, because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, this is the main launch today. It's the biggest launch of the week, probably. So there will be a lot of people promoting SniperProfixPro. Do feel free to go and see what they're offering, because remember, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are just a little bit special compared to anyone else's. So what exactly is SniperProfixPro? Well, you can see how a fully automated sniper site like one of the ones we're going to be creating earned $655.25 in commissions in just 30 days without any manual work, and built a list of 350 new leads for free, without writing any content or creating a single opt-in page ever. Now, this is the sales video, which is just here on this sales page. On my bonus page, I have got the demo video, which you should definitely watch, from Mosh. But this is Jason Fulton with the overview sales video, which you should definitely watch.
Fully automated content sites with unlimited articles, lead magnets, email lists, and free traffic in under 5 minutes? Yes, without ever creating your own PDF.
Alright, so I'll let you watch that, folks, but it will show you how you can easily set these sites up very quickly. So it's one-click automated website and list building software for you. Just to clarify, these sites are fully hosted for you. You don't need hosting, you don't need website. Everything is hosted for you. all you have to do is enter a keyword and push a button, and then you'll get new content every day to your site. No need to ever write content again. You get free traffic from multiple social sources every day because people are being incentivized to share this content. You get new leads. You can build email lists from your site automatically. It's newbie friendly, fully tested, and no tech skills needed. This is very newbie friendly, this system, and no manual work. As usual on here, you've got the usual mixture of testimonials, etc. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page because obviously you can go through that and read it for yourself. So let's head over and have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link immediately underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this review video that I'm making will be in here. These are the points that we've just gone through about what SniperProfixPro is all about. And then most important of all, you should watch the demo video here from Mosh himself showing you how easy this all is.
Hello friends, this is Moshberry. Welcome to SniperProfixPro. SniperProfixPro.
So there we are in the members area, and as I said, Mosh is going to give you a full walkthrough. The buttons here on the left are where you add your affiliate links, so Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. You can build your sites using either Wikipedia or YouTube. As I said, you'll see this when you go through, but basically you just click on the button to create a site. You just enter the keyword. You press the button to save it, and then that will populate it with the number of items that you requested, and you can then go in and edit and change the affiliate links that are already on that site if there are any, because if it's YouTube, that's probably more likely if it's YouTube than if it's Wikipedia. But if it's YouTube, someone has probably put their own affiliate links underneath the video that they've recorded, where you can go in and change those links to your own. It's pretty straightforward. Again, you'll be shown that in the demo. So these are the bonuses that I've put together if you pick up SniperProfixPro from me. So firstly, as I said, this is a very newbie friendly product. So if you happen to be a brand newbie and you're watching this, then here is an affiliate marketing for complete beginners course, which is about an hour and a half long. And it will show you all the basics that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Now, using SniperProfixPro would be a really good way to get started in affiliate marketing because, it's a dead simple system. It doesn't require a lot of work on your behalf, and it crucially gives you free traffic sources. So that is always something that's tough for newbie affiliate marketers. But secondly, I'm going to show you a way to get some more free traffic with this great little course from Saul Moraine. Learn how to get free traffic to your links. He's a very successful South African marketer. He's launched quite a few products himself. I'm also going to show you another way that you can get free traffic, of course, is to get your own YouTube videos ranked. And that is free organic traffic. It's my number one source of free traffic for me. If you're watching this, on YouTube rather than coming through to it from one of my email links, then, you are part of that free organic traffic because you've found this, video from searching on YouTube. So this is a way to rank any YouTube video in 24 hours. I'm also going to give you this super affiliate secrets with Patrick Chan. At one time, I don't know if he still is, but certainly at one time, Patrick had the number one best-selling offer of all time on ClickBank, and he's going to share you some of his super affiliate secrets of how he did that. And finally, if you're thinking about what constitutes a good website, an interesting website content-wise, then why not watch this Ultimate Blog Masterclass? It's about an hour and a half long, and it deals with 2019 content. So this will probably give you some ideas when you're choosing your keywords of how to go about this. Because with the pro version of this, you're going to be able to create 10 different websites. Now you can get the you can get the unlimited version, which we'll come on to in a minute when we look at the upsells, and then that will allow you to create unlimited sites, and you can probably be more adventurous and speculative with your experimenting, because obviously you'll have an unlimited number of sites. But if you're just working off 10, then you want to make sure that you choose them in good niches that are going to get a lot of views. So this blog masterclass will help you with that. So I hope you can see there, folks, that I have added a lot of content onto a lot of value onto the front end. So as I said, I'm not going to spend too much time on here. You can see, well, most of you, or those of you that are experienced, will know that Mosh Barry is a super affiliate. He earns thousands of dollars every month, and his products always sell well. Again, you can read all of this, but what you essentially do is you enter a keyword, you monetize it by adding ClickBank, Amazon and eBay, and then you enable your viral traffic system, which is going to get you the free leads. And that's just a run through again of the bonus video, the demo video that you've already seen. So no more writing content articles, no more curating bits and pieces, get full content from Wikipedia in just a click. No more spending hours and hours to create a site, it just takes 5 minutes. No more having to turn content into PDF for leads. All that happens automatically using this system. By the way, if you using YouTube, then it will transcribe the words of the video into the PDF. And no more having to deal with designers, developers, and programmers. Yeah. You can promote products from Amazon, ClickBank and eBay, or you can also add products from these other platforms such as Warrior Plus, Shopify, and JVZoo and Pay.com. Some more examples of people that have been making money from this. As I said, you can have a look at all of that at your leisure when you come through to the sales page. So in terms of the bonuses from the vendor, you get during the launch week access to the VIP Facebook community and coaching with Mosh's private Facebook group. And you also get a 300k visitors case study. Discover how this simple blog generates 300k unique visitors. So that is a very good case study. As I said, you'll get unlimited content from Wikipedia. You can create blogs, news sites, affiliate sites, or even e-com sites, automatically turn posts into PDFs, build unlimited email lists, built-in auto-viral traffic system, monetize your sites with ClickBank, Amazon and eBay, you can add automatic social sharing, no domain or hosting needed, got it covered, and 0 monthly fees. And so there's a light version or a pro version. To be honest, while the pricing is like it is, it's pointless getting the light version because it's only $1 less, and it only allows you to create one website. So with the pro version, you can create 10 for $22. So that is obviously the version that I would recommend that you go for. All right, folks, so that is pretty much the product. Let's have a look at the upsells that are available. So the one that I would most recommend is this Unlimited Profits edition, which is SniperProfixPro Unlimited. Now that is $67. And as I said, the main edition comes with a 10 site license, and this one is completely unlimited. So you can keep churning out these sites, day after day. The more you're only limited by your imagination into how many different keywords you can come up with. You can just keep churning out these sites. All of them will automatically generate traffic, and in a very short space of time you can have your own little empire of sites up and running. So I think that is well worth the $67. The next upsell is Deadliest Secret Trigger, which costs $97. What if there was a way to generate some quick and easy cash with SniperProfixPro and to scale your income much higher? Well, using this hidden treasure, you can profit instantly with just a few simple tweaks and boost your profits by 50 times, 100 times, or even more. Inside this upgrade, Mosh and Jason are going to share with you the #1 high income skill to help you to quit your job and make potentially an extra 100k a year from your home using SniperProfixPro. It's proven to be the fastest way to consistently bank big money online by using their deadliest secrets to building a huge, highly profitable email list. If you want any level of success online, you've got to do email. This is a secret strategy no one else is teaching and only a few individuals even know exists. When you use this, you will make money. So that is your deadliest secret trigger. The next one is done for you money sites, which is 297. How would you like all the work done for you? This will allow you to use SniperProfixPro completely hands-free. Mosh and Jason are going to build 20 live money sites for you. They've created 20 hot, ready-to-go commission money sites and will set them up for you completely hands-free. Proven campaigns you can plug into for instant results. And obviously it's for those of you that want everything done for you. This is a really great value again at 297. The next upsell is 1k paydays, which is 197. Here you'll discover the secret methods to generating multiple 1k paydays using this one simple technique without needing a domain, website or hosting. So that is 1k paydays. The next one is Commission Jacker, which is $77. What if you could take SniperProfixPro and turn it into an all-in-one video and website profit system? A complete business model automated in just 2 minutes by turning other people's websites into your own sales machines legally and ethically. SniperProfixPro Commission Jacket is like stealing other people's websites to generate online profits for yourself. That one is 77. Again, watch the sales pages and the videos for more details of any of these. And finally, you've got the license rights for 197, which means that you can sell SniperProfixPro as if it was your own product and keep 100% of the profits. So I would recommend that you look seriously at all of those. The 20 done for you sites is good if you can afford it, but if you can't, then certainly I would recommend very strongly that you go for the Unlimited Profits edition and maximize your opportunities there, folks, by being able to to create unlimited numbers of these sites rather than just the 10 that you can create on the front end. So that is pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick up all of these extra bonuses from me, just a reminder of what they are, then you need to click on any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the Pro Edition. As I said, you would be really mad to spend $1 less and get the Light Edition. So pick on this version. You can at least create 10, which is a good starting point. Creating 10 websites is going to earn you a decent chunk of money. And then you will come back into your members area, your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of Profix Sniper Pro and SniperProfixPro, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is pretty much it, folks. Going to give this 4 out of 5. It's up there with some of the best releases that Mosh and Jason have come out with, and I hope very much that you will click on the link underneath and pick it up from me. So all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of SniperProfixPro.